Valve seals are small but vital components that fit around the valve stems in the cylinder head. Their main function is to prevent oil from leaking into the combustion chamber while allowing the valves to move freely. They also help control the amount of oil that lubricates the valve stems, which is essential for engine efficiency and longevity. When they wear out, you can face a variety of problems. Let's look at the common symptoms. 1. Blue smoke from exhaust. One of the most noticeable signs is blue smoke coming from the exhaust, especially during startup or acceleration. This indicates that oil is leaking into the combustion chamber and burning along with the fuel. 2. Excessive oil consumption. If you find yourself frequently topping off your oil, it could be due to leaking valve seals. The oil leaks past the seals into the combustion chamber, leading to higher oil consumption. 3. Fouled spark plugs. Oil leaking into the combustion chamber can cause spark plugs to foul. This results in poor engine performance, misfires, and difficulty starting your vehicle. 4. Engine idling issues. Bad valve seals can lead to rough idling or stalling, as oil leaks can affect the air-fuel mixture, disrupting the combustion process. 5. Increased emissions. Leaking valve seals can increase emissions, as burning oil produces more hydrocarbons. If your vehicle fails an emissions test, worn valve seals might be to blame. 6. Poor acceleration. Oil in the combustion chamber can reduce engine efficiency, leading to sluggish acceleration. If your car feels less responsive, bad valve seals could be the issue. Diagnosing bad valve seals. Now, let's talk about diagnosing bad valve seals. Check for blue smoke from the exhaust during startup or acceleration. This is a clear sign of oil burning. Monitor your oil levels regularly. Frequent drops in oil levels can indicate leaks from worn valve seals. Remove and inspect your spark plugs. If they're oily or fouled, it could be due to bad valve seals. Perform a compression test. Although not definitive, it can help identify issues with valve seals or other engine components. A leak-down test can help pinpoint leaks in the engine, including those caused by worn valve seals. Fixing bad valve seals. If you've diagnosed bad valve seals, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further engine damage. Here are the general steps for replacing valve seals. Begin by removing the valve cover to access the valve seals. This may require removing other components for easier access. Use a valve spring compressor to compress the valve springs. This allows you to remove the valve keepers and access the seals. Gently remove the old valve seals using pliers. Be careful not to damage the valve stems. Install new valve seals, ensuring they're seated properly. Use a suitable tool to avoid damaging the seals. Finally, reassemble the valve springs, keepers, and other components. Ensure everything is torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. That's it. Your car should now run smoother.